Start light. See here we have yesterday question, homework questions. We are solving the homework question. The question is, in an ellipse with the center at the origin. An ellipse is center at the origin. If the difference of the length of major axis and minor axis is 10. See, this is decides. Foci decides horizontal or vertical. If you have, suppose you have that like 5 root 3 comma 0, then is a horizontal vertex, horizontal ellipse. You are absent now, so you will not understand now. This is horizontal ellipse. But when you have 0 comma this, then it is a vertical ellipse. One thing you watch, go home, once you watch the video, yesterday what I post, ellipse what I till now I explained, watch it all. So what you get idea. It is important for Maharashtra CET also. Even MSET, KSET, you are asking the KSET and MSET. That also very important. See here, you will write the MSET also, MSET, KSET. In MSET if you write na, in Hyderabad, there are 10 to 15 very good colleges are there. If you get seat in that na, your life will be changed. So write MSET also. Okay, I will tell you that time. I will help that time. Okay, now right now, what we can say here, this is a vertical ellipse. Okay, this is a vertical ellipse. Vertical ellipse. Okay, it is a vertical ellipse. Vertices are here 0 comma b, and here will be 0 comma minus b. This will be a comma 0. This will be minus a comma 0. This is called a dash. This is b. This is b dash. And the focus is f. Focus is 0 comma 5 root 3. Then another focus will be f dash. That will be 0 comma 5 root 3. Okay. These points are there. Minus 5 root 3. Okay. So now what is given here? The length of major axis and minor axis. So length of major axis let us take as capital M. Okay, length of minor axis let us take as small m. Representation this is to make it easy. So that is equal to the given 10. So length of major axis formula already you know, that is 2b. Length of minor axis already you know, that is 2a. So 2a minus 2b is equal to 10. So b minus a is equal to 5. This is one equation you got. So next what is they said here? The ellipse with the center at the origin, if the difference of major axis minor axis is 10 and one of the focus is 0 comma 5 root 3, then length of latus rectum. You know that this is there, na? Focus, this is there. Focus, listen here. This is focus. Focus is called as what? Focus is called as 0 comma b. So therefore, b value will be 5 root 3. B value how much you got? 5 root 3. B minus A how much? 5. Using this one we have to find the latus rectum. Latus rectum means you have to know length of A, length of B. AB value you should know. So what you do here right now, you know that eccentricity formula I gave. Eccentricity is equal to what? Under root of 1 minus, it is a vertical. Already I explained in previous lecture. So what is the eccentricity formula? 1 minus under root of a square by b square. This is the formula. Eccentricity is equal to under root of 1 minus a square by b square. If I do LCM, E is equal to, I get under root of b square minus a square by b square I will get. Squaring on both sides, if I get e square b square is equal to b square minus a square. Are you getting here? Squaring I did, this b square I had sent this side. Square root cancelled. So b square e square value how much? B square e square value how much? 5 root 3, right? So 5 root 3 whole square, 5 root 3 whole square is equal to b plus a into b minus a. Right? So I get how much? 75. So 75 is equal to b minus a value 5 and b plus a into this I will get as 5. So you can cancel this one. So a plus b is how much I will get? A plus b is equal to, I will get as 5 ones are 5 5s are 15. 15 times, correct? Right? So now this equation, this is the equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2. You just solve the equation number 1 and 2. solve equation number 1 and 2. Then what I get here, a plus b is equal to 15 and this is minus a plus b is equal to 5. If I get as 2b is equal to 20, so b is equal to 10 I got. b 10 हुआ, the a value 5. a value 5. What is the length of lattice rectum? Length of lattice rectum is equal to formula 2a square by b, 2b square by a naught, 2b square by a for horizontal ellipse, vertical ellipse 2a square by b. So the answer will be what? 2 into a square is 5 square, that is 25. 25 divided by b. b is how much? 10. So cancel this one. 2 ones are 2 5s are 5 5s are cancel. Length of lattice rectum is 5 units. So this is JEE 2019 question. Okay, understood? See, this is the next question which is asked in JEE 2019. Again, let S dash be the focus. Let S dash be the focus on the ellipse. B be any point of the extremities of its minor axis. Its minor axis. If triangle S dash BS is a right angle triangle, then right angle at B and area of triangle S dash BS is 8 square unit, then the length of lattice rectum is how much? Okay, that is what he is asking. So no, right. Now here what is they said? Now you need to understand this one. S dash be the focus. He is saying simple thing, that is you need to get the clue here. What is it? Is a vertical ellipse or horizontal ellipse? How you will come to know? S dash be the focus. Focus किधर है देखना है. An ellipse and B is any point on the extremities. Okay, its minor axis means is saying that B is a minor axis. B is minor axis means it is a horizontal ellipse. Horizontal ellipse only, B will be minor axis, A will be major axis. So it is what we can say, it is a horizontal ellipse, not vertical ellipse, horizontal ellipse. So that is a clear picture he said. And he said that, what is they said, S dash is the focus. S dash is the what? Focus. So here S is 1 and S dash is 1. S dash are the focus. Suno, listen here, Tanishka. See here, S dash be the focus. S dash be the focus. And he is saying that B is the extremities. Extremities means corner. Its minor axis extremities. If triangle BS dash is a right angle triangle and right angle at B, then what is saying here? Then the right angle at B, the area of this triangle is 8 square units. Means they given that area of triangle S dash BS is equal to, they given 8 square units they given. Okay, it is a right angle triangle. Now here this length is how much? This length is how much? Can anybody say? This is 0 comma B na. This is what here? A comma 0 hai na. This is what here? Minus A comma 0. This is what here? Is in focus. Focus is what? A comma 0. Here will be what? Minus A comma 0. These all the things I explained already. So this length will be the base and this length will be the height. Area of the triangle is half into base will be AE plus AE, 2AE base. Base will be 2AE and height will be how much? B. And that is equal to they given 8. So 2 gets cancelled. BAE is equal to 8, one part you got. BAE is equal to 8 you got. And what they given more? What they have given more? S has to be the focus of an ellipse and B is any point on the extremities of its minor axis. So he is saying that right angle at B and the area is this. What is the length of lattice rectum? So this is what he is asking. So you know that AE, okay, then the other things they given, right angle, okay. So you know one more thing, eccentricity is equal to under root of 1 minus, in this case, B square by A square. In this case is what? B square by A square. If we do squaring on both sides, e square is equal to 1 minus b square by a square. If we do cross multiplication LCM, a square e square is equal to a square minus b square I will get. This is one more equation I got. Okay, this is one more equation. Now you got this one and that one. Okay. So if these are right angle, na? Right angle means slopes will be how much? Product of the slopes will be how much? Minus 1. Product of the slopes will be minus 1. You have this point, you have this point. So product slope of BC, it means slope of BC dash into slope of BS dash is equal to minus 1. Right? What is the slope formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. आपको पता है ना, ये x1 है, ये y1 है, this is x2, this is y2. Then what is the slope? y2 minus y1, that is 0 minus b, right, upon x2 minus y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, that is minus ae minus 0. This is the slope of this one. And what is the slope this one? If I take this is x2 and this is y2 minus y1, that is what? 0 minus b divided by a minus 0. So that is equal to minus 1. Means here I can take minus cancel, b by ae into minus b by a is equal to minus 1. Minus cancel, anything cancel, b square I got as b square is equal to a square e, correct? B square is equal to a square e. Now you solve these three equations, this one and this one. Solve and find AB values. See the slope here, y2 minus y1, that is 0 minus b divided by x2 minus x1 minus ae minus 0. Here this is x2, this is y2, 0 minus b divided by ae minus 0, this is equal to minus 1. So what you got here, minus to cancel hoga, 0 minus b is b. So here what I am getting, b by ae into minus b by ae is equal to minus 1. So this minus cancel. So what I am getting, b square is equal to a square e square. B square is equal to a square e square. So now you can simplify. See here, suppose a b square is equal to a square e square. If you substitute here, second equation, if you substitute this one is here, because squaring here I get as b square a square e square, that is equal to 8 I will get. Are you getting it? This is I will get as 4 root 2. Okay, let's see. See, if I this one square, what I get here, if I square this, b square a square e square is equal to 8 square is 64. And you know that a square e square I can write b square. So b square will become b power 4. B power 4 is equal to 64. So b is equal to 4th root of 64, 1 by 4. So 4 power 4 is 64. So b value how much you got? 4. B value 4 का cube 64. अच्छा. Okay, then wait. So 4 root 4 means you can write 2 to the power of, wait, then I will tell you. So b is equal to 64 can be written as 2 power 6, right? 4 sir, if you don't know, do one thing, 64 आप ऐसा लिखो ना. So here I can write here 64 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 6 है ना. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and you have 4th root. 4th root means from 4 numbers you will get 1 root out. So b is equal to 2 and you get 4th root 2. So you get 4 power 1 by 4. So that is 2 root 2. Right? How much? So this is nothing but 2 square root cancel. So b is equal to, you get 2 root 2. You know now 4 can be written as 2 square. So this 2 will be cancelled. 2 power 1 by 2, that is root 2. So b is equal to 2 root 2 you got. Now you can take here also. Here you know a square e square value is b square. So you can take in this way. This way is more easy. B square is equal to a square minus b square. So 2b square is equal to a square. Okay. So you got b value already you got, you will get a value. So what I can write, 2 into 2 root 2 whole square is equal to a square. From this you will get a value. So from this what you will get a value? 2 into 2 square is 4, root 2 square is 2, right, is equal to a square. So 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So 16 is equal to a square. So a is equal to how much? A is equal to 4. So a is equal to 4 you got, b is equal to 2 root 2 you got. Is asking for length of latus rectum. So that is, what is the length of latus rectum? Length of latus rectum is 2b square by a. 2b square by a. Length of latus rectum is 2b square by. So you can do it that. 2b square by a. That is 2 into b square means 2 root 2 whole square by a is how much? 4 na? A is 4. So I get 2 into 2 square value 4 into 2 divided by 4. So cancel, answer is 4. Length of latus rectum is 4. And one more method you want to do is, there is one more method is there. It's a lengthy one which I explained. One more method is, you can take here, this is the ellipse, this is the B point, 0 comma B is the focus 1, focus and focus dash. Like you know that this is AE comma 0, this is you know minus AE comma 0, this length equal, okay, it will become isosceles triangle. So using this concept also you can use it, find it. This will be another way, otherwise that is okay. Fine. See, he is asking to find area found by the ellipse. So there is one ellipse, okay, this is one ellipse. We have to see AB values here. Focus on the first ellipse. If I focus on the first ellipse, this is looks like as what here? X square by 5 square plus y square by 4 square is equal to 1. Means A is greater than B. A is greater than B. A greater than B means it is a horizontal ellipse. A greater than B means what? It's a horizontal ellipse. And you know that this point is 5 comma 0. This point is minus 5 comma 0. This point is 0 comma 4. And this point is 0 comma minus 4. But A is asking that focus you should add. So what is the focus? Focus का point क्या होगा? Focus is equal to what? AE comma 0. And another focus will be what? AE minus AE comma 0. Means you have to find the focus of this. So focus, if you want to find, what you have to find? Eccentricity you have to find. So you have to find first eccentricity. First ellipse, I am focusing on first ellipse. So in the ellipse 1, A square is equal to 5. So A is root 5. No. A square equal to 25. A is equal to 5. B square is equal to 16. So B is equal to 4. Right? A value you got, B value you have. So eccentricity formula is what? Under root of 1 minus B square by A square. So B square only required, A not required. So eccentricity E is equal to what here? 1 minus 25 by 16. Hana? 16 by 25, right? 16 by 25. तो इससे छोटा बाय बड़ा, आई टोल्ड यू ना, स्मॉलर बाय बिगर. So how much you get? 9 by 25, that is 3 by 5. So eccentricity 3 by 5. Then focus will be what? What will be the focus one? Focus will be AE comma 0, है ना. दो फोकस होंगे प्लस आर माइनस. एक फोकस क्या होगा? व्हाट इज वन फोकस? A is what? A is 5 and E is what? 3 by 5 comma 0, that is 3 comma 0 एक फोकस. One focus I got, this I got 3 comma 0, this I got 3 comma 0. Then another focus will be what? Minus 3 comma 0. Another focus will be minus 3 comma 0. Now what is saying here? Another eccentricity here, another ellipse is given. What is the another ellipse they given? What is the another ellipse? Ellipse number 2. Can you tell me what is ellipse number 2 they given? X square by 24. Can I write root 24? Oh, okay, no, 24 only, right? X square by 24 plus y square by 49 is equal to 1. So A value will be root 24, B value will be 7. Then eccentricity is equal to, see which is bigger? Is it A bigger or B bigger? B is the bigger one. So it will be vertical ellipse. This is going to form vertical ellipse, right? It is going to form which ellipse? Vertical ellipse. It is going to form vertical ellipse. Another ellipse is going to form is vertical ellipse. It is going to form. So this vertex is there. You know that. What is A here? A is how much? अरे बोलो यार. B. 0 comma 7. Another one 0 comma minus 7, है ना. So you have to find the focus for this. So focus will be what? Focus is equal to what? 0 comma B, 0 comma plus or minus B. For vertical है ना, vertical के लिए eccentricity is equal to what? Eccentricity is equal to under root of 1 minus A square by B square. So what I get? E is equal to under root of 1 minus A square is how much? 49, 24. 24 by 49. 24 by 49. So what I get? Eccentricity will be 49 minus 24, that is 25, है ना. So under root of 49 minus 24, 25. 25 by 49. So how much I get here? 5 by 7 I got. If this is 5 by 7, what will be the focus? What will be the focus? Focus for the second one is focus. See, this is I took S dash. Okay, S dash. इसको ले लूँगा F dash. So इधर है ना, instead of S, this is S dash I'll take. Okay, S. Focus one का first ellipse का focus S में ले रहा हूँ. Second का F में ले रहा हूँ. Okay, F is will be what? 0 comma plus or minus B. So 0 comma plus or minus, what is B here? 7. 7 into E is how much? 5 by 7. So cancel out what I get here? 0 comma plus or minus 5. Means I am getting focus outside. Okay, if I draw the diagram proper, what you get here? 2 ellipses are there. Okay, 2 ellipses are there. One is, this is the ellipse, horizontal ellipse. उसका focus क्या आ रहा है? S dash I took. This how much I am getting? Fred, tell me. 3 comma 0 na? 3 comma 0. This is I got S minus 3 comma 0. Origin is center. And another focus, how much you are getting? What you are getting? 0 comma 5. Another one 0 comma minus 5. These are focus. Okay, so focus it is there means ellipse will be bigger than that, right? Ellipse will be like this. Okay, ellipse will be coming outside, correct? Ellipse will be coming out like this. So now he is asking to find the area between these focus. ये focus के बीच की area पूछ रहा है. This area is asking. area formed by this focus, this one, this one, this one, this one is asking. Okay, are you getting what I said? So ये लेंथ कितना है, इधर से इधर बोलो जल्दी, इधर से इधर कितना है? Kanishka, see here and tell me, what is this length? 5. This length is 5. And what is this length? Yes, Harsh? 3. This length is 3. This is 5. This is 3. Correct. I want to find, he's saying that find the area formed by join the focus of E1 and E2. If I join this focus, like this is F focus, is F1 focus, this is S dash focus. So after joining this focus, what is the area formed is asked. So I will find only this area. Then I will multiply with 4. So what I get here, area will be how much I am going to get? Area here, area is equal to area of this one. So area, required area is equal to 4 times of half into base into height. What is the base here? Base is 3. What is the height here? Height is 5. So here 2 ones are 2 2s gets cancelled. 30 square units is the answer. So the answer is 30 square units. Understood?